Thank you for coming back to Polka Dot Mailbox, and if you're new, welcome. Today I am packaging up for you a Happy Mail. This is a birthday Happy Mail that I am sending off to Kelly. I will link her YouTube channel below, and I created this for her birthday challenge. I'm just going to put some shred in the bottom to pretty up this box. And here is the first gift. I've taken the Maggie Holmes gift wrap from Willow Lane and some of the chipboard stickers and the thickers, the sparkly gold thickers, and created that. I've wrapped up a gift for her. She will do an unboxing video. I will link that below. I might post this before she has done her unboxing, because she said that she wanted to encourage people to send her a video entry for her contest that she's having. So I've created some rosettes for her. I will link that video here for you if you want to see how I made the rosettes, but I've used the Willow Lane paper, and I've come in with this layered cuckoo clock and a bunny and some stickers and that gold trim from this line as well. I think actually I'm going to put this in first though. I've wrapped up a gift for her here, and I've gone in and layered some fun little stickers and thickers on that as well. Here. Here's a non-paper craft gift inside, just a little treat that I thought would be nice to share, and I've just simply decorated it with, again, those rosettes that I have gifted to her here, and it's just a very simple polka dot paper. So now I can put, well, I think I'll put this one in here next. So I've created all these little envelopes for her with some gifts inside, and I've also tucked in some pieces of ephemera that she can use from this collection. So those are all tucked in here. And then that's how I decorated both sides. I'd used my 1, 2, 3 We Are Memory Keepers punch board to create some envelopes. And then I've just filled it with some goodies. You can see her open those. This is pretty. I didn't show you the back of this one. Got a little unicorn on there. This one is, well, it's like, I shouldn't tell you everything inside in case she watches it first. This is a little packet of tea inside there. I always have a stash of tea in my craft room so that I can gift when I'm looking for something, just a little extra thing to add or the right size. I should have put it in the envelope with the teacup now that I think about it. But I actually have flowers in here which are on there. So there we go here. Okay, so that's in there. And this can go across the top here. Put in some more shred. Perfect size box. I'm going to top it with one of these postcards that I found. I can link my haul video for you here, and you can see the amazing deal that I found. 70 cents for an entire pack of postcards, and this is one. And then it's perfect because I've got a chance to write her a little letter and happy birthday greeting on there. And I will include my business cards, as you can see, all the places that you can find me. I'm on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and of course polkadotmailbox.com. Shipping crafty deals from Canada. So put some of these polka dots here on top. Ooh, she's got a lot of gold in that one. And then I like to add some things for sound. So I'm going to add some of these sparkly sequins there that I enjoy. We'll put some of those pretty things in there too. She's got lots of prettiness when she opens her package. I'm going to come in and decorate the flaps on the box as well. Okay, I'm not going to be super precise with this. I'm going to show you just a quick way that you can decorate up the box. Just glue that in place and then cut around. Like that. So Maggie Holmes has her new collection out, Heritage. What does everybody think of it? Comment down below if you are liking or disliking her new collection. It is just hitting the shelves now. Some people I've already seen create stuff with it, which is amazing because it feels like it just came out. And I saw Alicia from Love Letter Generation post some beautiful creations with it, and I really like what she made with it. I find that sometimes when you first see a collection, it might not look super great. Then you start seeing what people make with it, and it's just like, wow, I have to have it. I guess I like it. I like Maggie Holmes' style in general, and I seem to tend to lean more toward pretty things. So there we go. We've got some flaps decorated, and it's just very simple so that it's not stark cardboard when she opens it. And then I can come in here and we'll put some more paper across the top here as well. Okay. Just going to come in and glue some paper again to both sides. You're not really going to see a lot of this. And seal it up. There we go. I can put my address label on there. If you haven't already subscribed, we'd love to have you as part of this crafty community. Go ahead and hit that notification bell as well so you're notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again next time. Bye.